Getting an Xbox is at the top of many a child's wish list, and let's be honest, some parents too. So providing peace of mind that children can game in a safe environment, or that they can get the help that they need in order to enjoy the games they play, is extremely important. I've been learning all about this lately as my little girl becomes more and more interested in the wonders and joy that my Xbox Series S can bring. And it starts with the content. Luckily, there's more than enough games provided with Game Pass. My little one and I have already finished Paw Patrol, Mighty Pups Save Adventure Bay, and you best believe we are well on our way to clocking My Friend Peppa Pig. Now, I don't think I would have purchased any of these games individually, but having them available through Game Pass is absolutely amazing. Now, Paw Patrol might sound amazing, and that's because it is. However, my 3-year-old is still very much developing her motor skills, which has led to many a cry of Dad, when she has needed help along the way. Thankfully, Xbox has a feature called Copilot, which allows parents to have a second controller linked to the one that your kid is using, so you can help them make that difficult jump or rapidly tap the button when needed. Like many parents, I am of course concerned with the content my little one is exposed to as she gets older. Luckily, Xbox yet again has my back with the Xbox Family Settings app available on iOS and Android. This app allows you to control and monitor not only the content that your child has access to, but also set up screen time limits, manage friends, control their Xbox wallet, monitor and reply to chat messages, and even decide how they play online multiplayer, all in real time. If your child is particularly well behaved, they can even request more screen time. But there still might be one question you're asking. What if I only have Game Pass Ultimate on one account? How will my child access all those great games and play online? Don't worry, Team Xbox has thought of this as well. You can designate one Xbox in your household as a home Xbox. This will allow anyone else who has access to that console to play games even if signed in with a different Xbox account. They can even make use of Xbox Live Gold, which of course is included as part of Game Pass Ultimate without having to get individual subscriptions for everyone. Xbox has made purchasing a console for a family not just easy, but safe and accessible as well.